You bring it home, it's perfect. And then the first leaf drops. We've all been there. But what if that wasn't the beginning of the end, but the start of a beautiful conversation?
Hi everyone, and welcome. If you're new to Fiddle Leaf Figs, you are in the perfect place. Today we're focusing on the most important phase, the beginning. It all starts with a smart choice. When you're at the nursery, you're looking for 3 key signs. First, deep green, firm leaves with no brown spots. Second, a stem that feels sturdy in the soil. Gently wiggle the main stem. If the plant feels super wobbly, it might have a weak root system. We want one that feels solid and established. And third, and this is our secret sign, look for new growth at the top, even 1 or 2 tiny bright green new leaves. Why is this so important? Because new growth tells you that the plant's engine is already running. It proves the plant is healthy, active, and has the positive momentum to handle the stress of moving to your home much, much better. It's a green light from the plant itself. Okay, you've brought your beautiful new plant home. This next step is the most important decision you'll make on day 1. Fiddle Leaf Figs are sensitive to change, so finding their forever home right away prevents a lot of drama. The best spot? Somewhere with lots of bright indirect light. Think of it like this. Your plant wants a front row seat to see the world, but from behind a sheer curtain. Direct sunbeams will act like a harsh spotlight and burn its leaves.
But how do you know if your light is just right? Here's a pro tip. It's called the shadow test.
The key is to perform this test during the brightest part of the day, let's say between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. This is when the sun is at its strongest, so it gives you the most accurate reading for potential harsh light. Hold your hand up between the window and your plant. If it casts a shadow with soft, blurry edges, your light is perfect. You're golden. If the shadow is dark and sharp, the sun is too direct during its peak hours. Almost no shadow at all? It's probably too dark for our friend here. And now for the most important rule of all, the 30-day rule. Listen closely. If your plant drops a leaf or 2 in the first few weeks, do not panic.
Why? It's not dying. It's just moving. It's getting used to your home's unique light, humidity, and temperature. This is called acclimation, and it's a completely normal shock for the plant.
So, for the first 30 days, your job is simple. Let it be. Do not repot it. Do not fertilize it. And do not prune it. Your only task is to water it when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil are completely dry.
And your final pro tip for a happy start? After about a week, gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth. This removes any nursery dust and helps the plant's photosynthesis factory work efficiently to produce energy and settle in. And that's really it. It's not about a list of complex rules. It's about a gentle welcome. You've just laid the foundation for a happy life together and truly started that conversation with your new plant. Ready to continue our Fiddle Leaf Fig journey together? Show some love with a like and subscribe so you don't miss next part. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.